Holy, let's go! Double up! No! Double up!
Let's fucking go, dude. Let's go. You said, oh, I was like, oh my god. Look at that.
Hey, relax. Get up here.
Look at that.
Go to the video. Get up here. You gotta get the video.
Look at that. Double up action. Bringing it to you.
Oh, God. We gotta call him, dude. Oh, fuck. Hook just pops out.
Really?
Woohoo!
They go nocturnal. Let's do it.
Holy
it's a fucking tick roll, dude.
It's a pike.
Get it in. Dude, this thing's fucking huge.
I don't like that.
Should I just put it back in?
No, wait, well, we'll take a picture of it.
Dude, this thing's heavy as fuck.
Lay it down on the deck, lay it down on the deck. Actually, I couldn't. Should I grab it? I want to hold it. I need a picture with it.
Well, it has teeth, right?
Yeah.
Grab by the gills. Or that.
Bigger than yours?
Which one?
Keep going. Hit it a little bit.
big gear. Trim up.
You guys smash them?
Oh yeah. You guys smash them?
Yeah.
Where'd you guys get them on?
Frogs.
Yeah, we use buzz baits.
We heard you.
Yeah.
We heard you.
Because we were at Sabbath before this. We didn't catch. We caught like one or two.
Really?
Yeah, we came. We got food, and then we came here and we just lit them up.
Yeah.
What was the biggest?
4-2. What about you?
521.
Oh, wow.
5 minutes after we got here. I'm
Yeah.
like,
That's awesome.
Did it die down for you guys?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's why we ran over here, caught one. We caught a pike, not a pike, pickerel.
Oh,
Yeah.
monsters.
I didn't know they got that big. I mean, so.
we had a tournament here last Saturday. We had almost 17 pounds.
God
And we
damn.
got beat. One guy had 19 pounds, another guy had 20 and a half.
Holy
and it was
shit.
like bright sunshine.
What tournament you guys fit? Who runs that one?
Yeah, it's just a small club.
Is it-
Bridgewater Bass.
What is it?
Bridgewater Bass Club.
Do you guys have Facebook?
Yeah.
Bridgewater Bass Club?
I think it's Bridgewater Bass Club.
Okay.
It's one of the game boats. Took a little trail.
Okay, yeah, I fish the independent one. I forget. They're 5-hour tournaments though, so it's like.
Yep.
I joined that this year because I'm in the military, so I just got here.
Oh, nice.
So maybe I'll look
How long
into
you
it.
been
Is there like an entry fee and all that for that one?
I think it's like $20.
That's not bad.
No. How long you been in?
Yeah.
How
Maybe.
long you been in?
I've been in just about 4 years. Yeah. So.
How long would it go?
Yeah, I'm not staying in.
No?
Nah, I got 2 more I'm getting out.
Come on.
Dang.
I finished on 20.
Yeah,
Nothing wrong.
from what branch?
You Army.
Yeah.
Army?
That's what he's in.
Yeah, I'm Army.
Yeah. What unit are you with?
I'm with the New Jersey National Guard,
Okay.
but then I graduate college in December, but I'm going active duty once I graduate.
Nice.
Well, you guys have a good one.
Yeah, man. Check us out on Facebook.
Yeah, we'll do.
Oh, this shit sucks. Oh, shit.
This place is usually like 3 feet high.
I know. For the club I fished in, our first tournament was here. It was so much higher. I'm like, it was weird.